Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will explore our latest enhancement to the booking settings workload rules. Previously, you could limit the number of bookings accepted per day, week, or month independently. With this new enhancement, you can now combine daily, weekly, and monthly booking limits together for a more flexible and efficient workload management. So let's head over to the booking calendar lobby and take a look at our first scenario, that is for a single user. Now, Henry is the host of the meeting, currently allowing unlimited bookings. So let's click on Edit and select the first checkbox for day. Set to offer 4 bookings per day. Let's say Henry will be offering 9 bookings per week and 20 bookings per month. So as soon as for a particular day, Henry receives 4 bookings, no more time slots will be offered for that particular day. Same goes for the week. No more time slots for a particular week will be offered if 9 meetings are already scheduled. And as soon as 20 meetings are received, a particular month will be blocked off and no further available time slots will be offered. So this is how you can manage our new workload rules for our user. And if there is a co-host to this particular meeting, the co-host will inherit the workload rules of the host. Let's take a look at our second scenario, which is, let's say, instead of a single user, it is a team we are using to distribute the meetings. So the distribution logic, any available team member, and when it comes to the workload and priority, we can click on the manage option, select the box for the per day. So Brad here will be offering 4 bookings per day, let's say 10 meetings, 10 bookings per week, and let's say 25 for the whole month. So this way I can set up availability or the workload rules for a particular user in a team. And for each user, we can go ahead and customize it as per requirement. So let's say for Henry, we just want to go ahead and set up a limit of 4 bookings per day. And let's say we want to set up a limit on a monthly basis, let's say 30 bookings for the whole month. And then for Paul, we can just go ahead and select it on a day. We can go ahead and add, or we can choose to add, or we can also that's completely up to your requirement on how you want to go ahead and set it up. But yeah, for example, these are the settings for each team member. It can be customized as per your requirement and setup, and these will apply to the each team. So this is how for the teams. Now let's take a look at our third scenario, which is for a group session. Now all of these settings that we talked were for the single session, but when we offer a group session, let's say we are offering a webinar and each uh, webinar has the maximum capacity of 50 guests per session. You can still choose to opt for, let's say, 2 bookings per day, because we are limiting the number of webinars that can be scheduled and not the number of guests. So here 50 people can still book. So let's say as soon as someone selects the 10 a.m. slot and then someone selects a 2 a.m. slot. So 2 slots are selected, the day is blocked off, still 50 people can schedule for each time slot. Same logic applies for the concurrent session, and you can go ahead and add as many people that you want for each particular session. So that's the new workload rules in action. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.